you're experiencing an installation loop with GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the issue and successfully install the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. This includes checking your operating system, CPU, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall as they may interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the GTA 5 installer and select Run as administrator. This will give the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows +R, type %10% and hit Enter. Delete all files in the temp folder to clear any potential conflicts that could be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps did not work, uninstall GTA 5 completely and then download and install the game again from a reliable source. Make sure to install it in a directory with sufficient permissions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing GTA 5. If issues persist, consider seeking help from online forums or the game's support team.